The field is quiet, but it is not empty. Schuman holds a steady floor today, blue carrying most of the spectrum, while fine vertical threads move through the midbands. Nothing erupts. Nothing demands attention. It feels like soft rain moving through atmosphere that already knows how to receive. The harmonic lines remain intact, slightly softened, suggesting coherence is being protected while information passes through. Amplitude pulses lift and settle quickly. Higher bands flicker without escalation. This reads as integration, activity that refines rather than expands. Q factors rise briefly, then return, like the system testing how much signal it can hold without strain. Solar conditions echo the same restraint. C-class baseline with the memory of an earlier M event still in the background. Solar wind moves at a moderate pace. Magnetic orientation drifts near neutral with brief southward touches that never anchor. Nothing pushes. The auroral boundary breathes outward and back, a living perimeter adjusting shape instead of force. Coronal holes remain present but not dominant. CME signatures exist as texture rather than impact. The ionosphere shows even coloration with small, bright pockets. Communication open, filtering active. Electric field and geophone data show steady hum with thin rhythmic spikes. Calibration signals repeating rather than escalating. Inside the body, this often feels like quiet fatigue, subtle pressure behind the eyes, emotional neutrality, or the sense that something shifted without an obvious event. Brainwave mapping leans alpha and theta with brief gamma flashes. Processing, not activation. This is a tuning day. Upgrades move sideways. Stability becomes the work. The system is learning how to hold more signal without raising volume. Do less. Notice more. Reception is the action. You can find the full written transmission on Substack at Tending the In-Between.